Hi, my name is Kara, and today I'm going to show you how to do a long tail cast on. So a long tail cast on is great if you want a stretchier cast on edge. Say you're casting on the stitches for a top down sweater and you're working on the neckline, so you want to make sure that those stitches will actually fit over your head. A long tail cast on isn't great because it can get really frustrating. 9 times out of 10 you're probably going to estimate how long you need the tail wrong and it's going to be incorrect. I do this all the time. There are a few tips and tricks on the internet on how to correctly estimate or get a better estimate of how long you need that tail to be based on how many stitches you're casting on. I haven't picked up any of those. I like to guess, get it wrong, get mad, start over. It's a never-ending cycle. I've actually kind of memorized how long the tail needs to be for a few of my sweaters, like the Benny sweater and the chunky Games That Match top, because I've made those pieces so often that I just know exactly how many stitches I need for my size and how long that tail needs to be for those number of stitches. Maybe this will happen to you one day, but let's just do a long tail cast on. So today we're going to be using Malabrigo Rasta in the colorway Sunset. It's this lovely orange. I unraveled another sweater in order to kind of reclaim this yarn because I wanted it again. And because this is super chunky yarn, I'm going to be using 12mm needles. This is the Lykke copper interchangeable set. It's a little bit tarnished because I have been using them quite a bit, but rose gold's my color, so I decided that I absolutely needed it as soon as I saw them. So let's get started. So you're going to take your tail, and there are a lot of tutorials on the internet about how to get this the right length. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to make a slip knot and place it on our needle. This is your tail. And this is your working yarn. You're going to take your left thumb and you're going to make a loop. You're going to take that loop and put it on your needle, and you're going to take your tail and wrap your needle and pull the loop over that. Once again, you're going to take your left thumb, make a loop, place it on the needle, wrap your tail, and pull the loop over the tail. And you're just going to continue doing this until you have as many stitches as you need. And this is what our cast on looks like. There's one side, there's the other, and this will give you a nice stretchy cast on edge. Let me know if you have any other questions.